Hi everyone, it's Cathy from Red Robin Floral Furniture Refinishing. Today I'm doing a cute little project, a little Valentine's project as part of the Couture creative team. I found a little tiered tray at the dollar store and I'm going to be using some of Couture's new products and create a little Valentine's display. The first thing I'm going to do is paint the whole tray in French Rose, which is a beautiful light pink. This is one of Couture's chalk style paints. I'll be using the pigment powder in white gold. I'll be using that to just tone down that the black part of the tiered tray. This is one of their new products, the pigment powders, and look at how shiny that is. Now I'm going to add pigment medium to just make it liquid into a bit of a paint, I guess, and look at how shiny that is. It's incredible. I decided I wanted something around the edge of the tray. So here I'm just using modeling clay, and this is a redesign with Prima mold, and I'm just doing a bit of a border and attaching it to my tray. Once that was all done, I painted it in the same pink color. When I was at the dollar store, I got a few little wooden pieces that I thought that I would put on my tray. I wasn't sure what I was going to use, but these are the little pieces that I got. I used autumn sage to start painting a few of the little pieces. I also used purely white and French rose for a few of the little pieces. This is French rose, and I'm just painting a little heart on this wooden round. And this is simply white that I'm painting on this little frame. I know it seems like I'm all over the place, but because I had all these little wooden pieces and I had my paint out, I just went from one piece to the other And here's a cute little love sign that I got. This is French rose. And here I'm just cutting out this cute little paper and I'm gluing it to the frame. Now I'm going to be using the Extreme Guard in satin, although that really doesn't matter what sheen you use. But here's the brand new product from Paint Couture. This is German glitter glass, and this is the color Romance. Beautiful pink. Look at how shiny that is. This is kind of where all the fun begins. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the top coat on my heart, and then I'm going to cover it in the glass glitter. I was being kind of light-handed here, but you could be as heavy-handed or as light-handed as you want. You could just pour it right on there if you'd like. It's just so fun and beautiful, the colors. Now down on the base, I'm going to be using glass flakes in the color Snowflake. They're actually bigger flakes and they could possibly be even shinier than the pink. They're just, it's absolutely beautiful. I was trying to figure out how to put it on there, but then I just decided to dunk it in, which actually was perfect. And just as a reminder, if you're interested in any of the products, they can be found on the Paint Couture website, and there'll be a link posted down in the bottom. Now here's another new product. It's the German glass glitter in the color Kelly Green. Now here I'm just dry brushing some of the Simply White around the mold. I just mixed up a little more of the white gold using the Perfect Pigments, and I just went around the trim with that just to give it a little bit more definition. Once everything was done and dry, I put it all together. I put it on my tray, added a few extra little things, and I think it's just a cute little Valentine's display piece for my home. And here it is. It's super cute. My granddaughter loves it because of all the pink. I think this is something that you could easily try at home. I love the glitter, all of the new German glass glitter, the Snowflake, glass flakes. I mean, who doesn't love sparkly and shiny, especially at Valentine's Day? If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel to help it grow. Thank you so much for joining me here today, and we'll see you again soon.